Hi viewers, so today we're touring this unit of 4-bedroom semi-detached home located here in a well-secured estate in Shango, Tedo, Ajah, Lagos of Nigeria. We actually have 3 units. They are currently in the market. As you can see, we are still yet to clear some of the things that we use in the painting and in the building of this home. So that's to let you know that this project just came into the market. Now this property is sitting on about 233 square meters. So you see what you can build on a 233 square meters. You can have 2 cars parked here, and you also have this space right here that can take another set of 2 cars, right? Spacious home, if you ask me. So if you're new to my channel, you quickly want to hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment, and most importantly, let me know what you think of this home. Now let's take a tour. Welcome home. Okay, so these are the 3 units. 1, 2, 3. This is actually a corner piece. It's more spacious. So if you are looking to get these units, you can quickly make up your mind, come for an inspection and take this unit because it has more parking space right here. So over here, you clearly see that you have the parking space here that can take up to 2 cars, and you also have this corner that can take another 2 cars. So in total, you can park about 4 to 5 cars in this particular place. Now let me take you around the exterior just before we head inside. Remember I said that this property is sitting on about 203 square meters, if not more, but I'm just trying to be conservative with the space. So you have your BQ just right here. Remember, it's a fully detached home. So you have your BQ just right here. Oh, it's locked. So you have your space just right here. So let's go right inside. So just right here, you also have this space here. And you have your simple design. Now let's go inside. So when you come in, you have your door that has fingerprints and facial ID. And this is your primary living area. Like I said, the property just got into the market. So they are still doing some finishing touches with the painting and all of that. So this is the primary living area. And over here is where you have your visitor's restroom. Of course, it's packed with things that you're trying to finish up. Over here, you have your visitor's room, okay, which is locked. I think they still have some materials in there. So let's go over to where we can have access. So just in this corner, you can set up your dining area. You can set up your dining area just right here. And you have your kitchen here also. You have your spacious kitchen here. Of course, it's going to come with essentials, your oven, your microwave, washing machine, with your heat extractor, your gas burner. Okay, so let's go upstairs and let's see what we have there. So it's a 4-bedroom, fully detached home. So when you come upstairs, you have your family lounge over here. You can set up a TV and a small couch just in this corner. And just by my right, I have 2 rooms here and 1 room here. So this is the space of the room. You have your wardrobe just right there. Of course, it's not properly arranged yet. Then you have your bathroom right here. You have your walk-in shower. So let's look at this room. So you have this room here. The wardrobe is just right behind this door. Okay. Then this is the bathroom. Got your walk-in shower. Okay, let's take a look at the last room, which is the master's. So your master's is just this way. Okay. Extra details. They're always paying more attention to the master. So this is your spacious master area. The TV console can be there or it can be here, depending on where you want it to be. So this is your spacious living area. You currently see there is no light, so what we are using is just the natural light, and I appreciate the developer for using glass windows, enabling natural light. So the masters has this balcony just right here, and of course you can oversee your neighborhood. Okay, so let me know what you think of this project. You have your walk-in closet just here, and just by my left you have access to your bathroom. You have your walk-in shower, just bathtub, and you still have your space to walk in. All right, so let me know what you think of this project. If this is something you would like to get, it's priced at 200 million, 4-bed, fully detached home in a well-secured estate. You need a code to actually gain access into this estate in Shango Tedo Ajah. So let me know. Let's get you home. We are available for inspection. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.